In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for task management. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or just starting out, these steps will help you set up a comprehensive system to organize your tasks efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open Notion. If you haven't already signed up, go ahead and create your account. Notion is a powerful tool that provides a flexible workspace to manage everything from personal tasks to complex projects, so you're making a great choice here. Once you're in, the next step is to create a new page. Think of pages in Notion like blank canvases. You have complete freedom to develop the structure of your task manager exactly how you want it. Just click on the Add a Page option from the sidebar to get started. Let's give it a name. You should name this page Task Manager because that's what we're building today. A dedicated space to track all your tasks. Naming the page helps you quickly identify it later among other projects or documents you might create in Notion. Now, inside your newly created page, you'll want to click the plus icon to add a new content block. From the options, choose a table view. This is essential because a table gives you a structured format to list tasks, similar to a spreadsheet, but with more dynamic Notion features. In setting up your task database, you'll want to add your core columns. These columns should include task-specific information like task name, due date, priority, and status. Customizing columns is where Notion shines. You can add properties like text, dates, and checkboxes, which are incredibly valuable for task management. Next, you can create different views of your task list, depending on how you work best. For instance, you might prefer a simple list view or even a Kanban board style. Notion allows you to switch between these views, offering flexibility and adaptability in handling tasks according to your preferred workflow. Adding a calendar view is another smart move. This allows you to visually map out your tasks over days, weeks, or even months. Viewing your tasks this way can help in planning around due dates and ensuring you stay on schedule. To add a task manually, click New or the plus icon within your table or calendar view. This will open up a new task card where you can input all necessary information, like the description and deadline, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Lastly, modify colors to your liking. Click on Settings, then navigate to Conditional Formatting. This can help with prioritization at a glance. For instance, tasks with a high priority could be marked in red, while less urgent tasks might be green. Color coding adds an extra layer of clarity and organization. These steps should guide you in setting up a robust task management system in Notion. With a bit of practice, you'll find your productivity and organization improving significantly. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.